Hi everybody, so for anybody that's wondering how the WhatsApp brochure or the Facebook Messenger brochure works, just a quick video to show you. So I have it opened here. So this is what it'll look like when your customers will use it. They flick through, and what they want to do is when they get to an item that they would like to order, so say they would like to order this lift and firm eye lift system for £10, what they do is click add to my basket and add to cart. Now once they've done that, they continue on shopping across the brochure excuse me, and when they see something again they want, you just click add to my basket. They pick the colour or size, add to cart, and once they're done, the cart in the top right hand corner, click it, and they want to send my shopping, so we click it, and then they choose how they would like to send it to you, so they can send it back on WhatsApp, text message, email, or Facebook Messenger. I believe the purple one is Viber. So we are going to choose to send this via WhatsApp, and we will send it to Nadine. Send, and as you can see, it comes back in a lovely pre-written text message with it all tallied up for us and all. So absolutely fantastic tool to use, guys. I would really encourage you to use this, especially in the current climate. Thank you.